Aside from the keying that's unique, we also have differences in the pin size. The pin size dictates how much current you can carry, but we then also have right angle, straight. So right angle allows you to come in at a very shallow depth as opposed to going straight out. We then also have male, female, we have bulkhead connectors, we have end device connectors. These are connectors that would actually get utilized in the devices themselves. So for example, if you have a sensor, the back end of a sensor would have this M12 receptacle that would allow you to then connect into. The other variants have differences in materials, so all depending as to what the environment is like. You may have to have PUR, TPE. The stranding may need to be high flex for robotics application. So all depending as to what the application is, we have a cable and we have a connector for that.